Imagine transforming your reality, not through wishful thinking, but by harnessing a profound, proven prayer technique. Neville Goddard's revolutionary concept of prayer is not about asking, it's about creating, or let's say commanding. This method, rigorously tested and yielding extraordinary results, leverages the power of your imagination and emotions to manifest your deepest desires. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video because you'll uncover how to command this incredible force, stepping into a life where your dreams are not just possible, but inevitable. Prepare to wield the true power of prayer and reshape your world. So make sure to like the video and subscribe so you never miss any future videos. Let's get started. Neville Goddard's teachings offer a fresh perspective on the idea of prayer, viewing it as a powerful tool for inner transformation rather than a request for external intervention. Instead of pleading or begging, Neville encourages us to engage in an intentional inner dialogue with ourselves to affirm and visualize the life we desire. This inner conversation shapes our beliefs, emotions, and ultimately, our reality. By talking to ourselves with conviction and clarity, we plant seeds in our subconscious mind, which then grow into the reality we experience, nurtured by our imagination and emotions. This approach challenges traditional religious views of prayer, but it can be a game changer for those seeking personal growth and self-transformation. We'll explore how using specific words and phrases, such as gratitude, positive affirmations, love, joy, and positivity, can raise your vibration and help you create a more fulfilling life. Prepare to discover the true power of prayer and reshape your world. Imagination is the engine of Neville's prayer technique. It's not enough to merely think about your desires. You must see them vividly in your mind's eye. Picture your goals as already achieved. See the details, feel the emotions, and immerse yourself in the experience. This vivid visualization creates a mental blueprint that your subconscious mind works to manifest in your physical world. Neville emphasized that imagination is the most potent tool we possess. It's through imagination that we create our world. When you pray, you're using your imagination to construct the reality you wish to experience. The more detailed and emotionally charged your mental images, the more effective your prayers will be. One of Neville's key teachings is that feeling is the secret. This phrase encapsulates the idea that emotions are the driving force behind effective prayer. It's not just about what you imagine, it's about how you feel during your prayer. Emotions are the energy that activates your imaginative acts, giving life and substance to your desires. When you feel as if your desire is already fulfilled, you create a powerful emotional vibration that attracts your desired outcome. Emotions play a crucial role because they bypass the critical mind and speak directly to the subconscious. The subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between real and imagined experiences. It accepts the emotions you generate as reality. Therefore, when you pray with intense, positive emotions, you're sending a clear, powerful message to your subconscious that what you desire is already yours. During prayer, it's essential to generate the emotions you would feel if your wish were already a reality. If you're praying for financial abundance, feel the relief, joy, and gratitude of having all your needs met. Imagine the freedom and security that comes with financial stability. Picture yourself enjoying the fruits of your wealth, paying bills without stress, and perhaps even helping others with your resources. These feelings of abundance will resonate deeply within you, aligning your inner state with your desired financial reality. Neville's teaching encourages you to make these emotional experiences a regular part of your prayer routine. Instead of treating prayer as a momentary act, see it as an ongoing state of being. Continually cultivate the feelings associated with your desires throughout the day. This practice ensures that your subconscious mind is constantly receiving the message that your desires are already realized, thereby accelerating the manifestation process. Central to Neville's teachings is the law of assumption. This principle states that you must assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, act and feel as if your desire is already accomplished. This assumption creates a state of mind that aligns with your desired reality, making it inevitable. Now let's get to the prayer techniques that Neville suggested. We will not discuss only one technique, but 3 techniques, to make sure to get the maximum benefit from this. Neville provided several powerful and tested techniques to enhance the effectiveness of your prayers. Here are 3 key methods. First, we have the living in the end method. It is a transformative approach to achieving your desires, rooted in the philosophy that your mental and emotional state can shape your reality. This method involves more than just wishful thinking. It requires a profound shift in how you perceive and experience your desired outcome. Living in the end means fully embracing the feeling and mindset of already having achieved your goal. This goes beyond mere desire or want. Instead of thinking about your goal as something distant or out of reach, you adopt the perspective of already possessing it. This mental shift creates a powerful alignment between your thoughts, emotions, and the reality you wish to create. By embodying the state of fulfillment, you essentially draw that reality into your life. When you assume the feeling of your wish is fulfilled, you engage in a form of mental rehearsal that conditions your subconscious mind to accept this new reality. Your subconscious does not distinguish between actual experiences and vividly imagined ones. Therefore, by repeatedly immersing yourself in the feeling of your desire being realized, you impress this state upon your subconscious, which begins to work towards manifesting it in your physical world. This practice requires you to cultivate a specific emotional and mental state that reflects your fulfilled desire. Emotions are a vital part of this process because they carry a vibrational frequency that resonates with your desired outcome. When your emotions are in harmony with your goals, you create a coherent energy field that attracts similar frequencies, thus making it easier for your desires to manifest. The second technique, the prayer of thanksgiving, is a powerful approach in Neville Goddard's teachings. It emphasizes expressing gratitude as if your desire has already been fulfilled. This method leverages the transformative power of gratitude to align your emotions and thoughts with your desired outcome. The prayer of thanksgiving involves expressing sincere gratitude for your desires as if they have already come to fruition. This practice is rooted in the idea that gratitude creates a positive and receptive state of mind, which in turn attracts more of what you are thankful for into your life. By feeling thankful in advance, you align yourself with the reality of your fulfilled desires. Gratitude is a powerful, emotional state that shifts your focus from lack to abundance. When you express gratitude for something you desire, you affirm its presence in your life, which strengthens your belief and expectation of its manifestation. This positive emotional state helps to dissolve doubts and negative thoughts, making your prayer more effective. By embodying a state of gratitude, you create a vibrational match with the reality you wish to experience. This alignment between your emotions and desires enhances your ability to attract and manifest your goals. Gratitude also helps to maintain a high vibrational frequency, which is essential for effective prayer. If you're seeking a loving relationship, immerse yourself in the emotions of love, warmth, and companionship as if it's already in your life. Visualize the moments of connection, the laughter, and the shared experiences. Now, let's move to the last and most important prayer method we have today. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. To effectively practice the method of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, start by finding a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax without any distractions. Sit or lie down comfortably and take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to become calm and centered. Feel the tension leave your body with each exhale and focus your mind on the present moment. Now, close your eyes and begin to clearly define your desire. Be specific about what you want to achieve. For instance, if your desire is to own a new home, imagine every detail of this home. What does it look like? What does it feel like to walk through the front door? Imagine the colors, the textures, the sounds, and even the smells. As you visualize, immerse yourself fully in the scene. See yourself experiencing the reality of your wish fulfilled. Walk through each room of your new home, touching the furniture, admiring the decor, and feeling the warmth and comfort it brings. Engage all your senses to make the experience as vivid as possible. This isn't just about seeing the image in your mind, it's about feeling it deeply and genuinely. While you are in this mental scene, pay close attention to the emotions that arise. Feel the joy, excitement, and satisfaction of having your desire already realized. Let these emotions fill your entire being. If your desire is to be in a loving relationship, feel the warmth and connection with your partner. Hear their laughter, feel their touch, and bask in the love and companionship. Maintain this immersive experience for as long as it feels comfortable, allowing yourself to dwell in the feeling of your wish fulfilled. The key is to genuinely feel as though your desire is already a part of your life. You are not imagining it as a future event, but as a present reality. As you come out of this visualization, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, but carry the emotions and feelings of your fulfilled desire with you. Throughout your day, remind yourself of this feeling. Whenever you think about your desire, recall the emotions you experienced during your visualization. Let these feelings influence your actions and decisions, acting as if your wish is already true. These three techniques, affirmations, visualization, and scripting, are powerful tools in Neville Goddard's approach to prayer. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you can harness the power of your subconscious mind to create the life you desire, turning your dreams into reality. Now it's your turn to give it a shot. Share your experiences with this technique. I'd love to hear about them. If you're interested in other Neville Goddard techniques, don't forget to check out my channel for more content. See you in the next video.